Let's see today's delicious recipe of chicken fingers. Now in a bowl, I've taken 200 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it up into long strips. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Next goes in some salt to taste. One and a half teaspoon of pepper powder. Two teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can even use paprika. And 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So those are all the ingredients that you need. And now you're going to give all of this a real good mix. So all of the chicken is well coated with the flour and all of these lovely spices. And now we're just going to refrigerate this for 30 minutes or till you need to, fry them. So you can just cover it and keep it in your refrigerator. But see that it's mixed really well so that all of the flour and the spices get onto all of the chicken strips. You can use your hands too. And now when you're ready to make the chicken fingers, all you got to do is heat up some oil for deep frying. And once your oil is nice and hot, on a low to medium flame, just fry these till they are nice and crispy and golden brown in color. So this is a great, snack for kids or a starter or a light meal. And I love to serve this up with my homemade tartar sauce. So I'll leave a link below to that. Or you can even serve this with some peanut sauce. So I'll leave the link to that too. And once they're fried, just drain them onto a steel sieve. Don't put them on any kitchen napkins because that way they become soggy. But if you put them on a perforated steel plate or a sieve, that way they remain nice and crispy. So you can fry all of it or you can fry just as much as you want and have this as a lovely snack. So do give this recipe a try, guys. And this is the tartar sauce that I made. So like I said, I'll leave a link to that below. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I hope you give it a try. And I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.